2017 in Berlin. I'm here with Krister Forsman from the Perstorp Group from Sweden. Thank you very much for taking the time for this interview. Could you briefly introduce yourself, please, and tell us about your responsibilities at Perstorp?
I'm a process control specialist. I work in the Global Technology Department, supporting all our different production facilities around the world with expertise in process control and optimization, but also a lot involved in the MES systems, the manufacturing execution systems, industrial IT, and so supporting the development and applications of operational intelligence tools for the different chemical plants we have.
What projects are you currently involved in, and what are the aims that you're trying to achieve?
If we leave the process control projects aside for the moment and talk about the MES projects, we have a very big initiative on in implementing OEE, overall equipment efficiency, tools for that, and a philosophy and a policy for that. So that's a big one right now. And we also work a lot with visualization from MES systems for the workshop floor, for the plant floor, for the operators, introducing tools, software tools for them to use in the control rooms. Those are the main activities, I would say. Okay. Long term, yeah.
And you've been working for Perstorp for 12 years now.
That's correct.
During these years, what are the main changes and developments that you have experienced in chemical manufacturing?
Oh, a lot has changed. When I joined the company, there was very little hardcore data available to people working in the offices and the process engineers. There was data acquisition took a long time, and it was very frequently the case that you didn't have the data you needed for making the right decisions. Now everything is based on hard facts and data from the plants. So I think that's a major change. And also you see a change in the attitude of people. People actually require that data to be there before they sort of try to work anyway.
Okay. What would you say are the main challenges that you are currently facing in the production of chemicals, and how do you respond to these challenges?
If we look at IT and operational excellence, I think the challenges is in still changing the culture a little bit to have people more involved in the day-to-day work and actually think proactively and work a bit more with the optimization. I think that's one challenge. And of course there's also challenges from a technical point of view, because we have so many IT systems that is like really need to integrate them more for the whole situation to be less complex. I can tell you in the Perstorp Group we have more servers than employees.
Okay, that's interesting.
Interesting fun fact, yeah?
Yeah, nice to know. Yeah. And yeah, in your presentation you've talked about how to deliver production excellence in the process industry. So how is it done? What are the main lessons learned from your case study?
I think there's several. One is it's important to work in improvement projects in a way so that everybody is involved from the start, all different categories in the company that will be affected by these things. And another one is that you actually develop KPIs, key performance indicators, that are closely tied to a workflow, a work procedure. Many times I've seen people want to have some information, some displays or some reports, and it's not really clear what they are supposed to be used for. So then it becomes nice to have. In this project we developed at the same time the work procedures and the new ways of working and the KPIs that supported those things. So it was very inspiring for me, because I knew from the start that this will be used every day. It's not just nice to have. So I think that's one of the key learnings.
What do you hope to take home from the conference? So what are your benefits from the 2.5 days here?
From the start it's been really interesting, really inspiring, and I really like that there's so active participation from industry. I'm used to going to academic conferences, which is quite different. So here there's a lot of speakers that has a long experience and very insightful comments. So far it's been really inspiring.
And can you say what is your personal highlights so far, and what are you especially looking forward to? Yeah,
I think the presentations from this morning were almost all of them were very interesting, and especially the one from Shell and DSM, and I sort of noticed some common themes that are reoccurring in all the presentations.
Now a more personal question. You're also an adjunct professor at the Department of Chemical Engineering at the NTNU
Yes, correct.
in Trondheim. What do you prefer, working in a company or teaching at the university?
Good question. I think I would never want to work exclusively for the university, because now I really like to have the connection to the industry. But I think that part of my work inspires me to do very good research initiatives in the university. So I'm very happy with the situation I have right now, because I can bring real-world problems into the academic world.
Which word comes first to your mind when you think about the conference or the organizer, we.CONECT?
Very professional, outstanding.
Okay, yeah. Perfect. Thank you very much for your time and for the interesting insights.
Okay, thank you.